Hopefully this view works, bro. GoPro's ready. You know it's ready when you hear them beeps. Neutral's hard to find, by the way. I know I'll be good. Oh my god. Oh, I need to upgrade to this clutch handle. No bullshit, bro. Like, you know we bikers, and you know I'm on a new bike. You gonna cut me off like that? Like, why am I on a sport bike with this type of helmet though? My boys, what do you call it? I don't know, ZX6R stunt build. It sounds nice though. Ooh, it feels good. It just feels weird, like you're on a sport bike, but you sitting like a dirt bike. Like that's the only thing that feels weird. Like my feet, like this half lower, feels like a sport bike, but up feel like a dirt bike. The turn after this light is gonna be a slight right. The next right.
Yeah, all the way to the right, then the left side.
Oh, the DMV? Huh? I got you. I got you.
Yeah. Your front brake is soft as shit.
Yeah, it's soft as hell, yeah. I gotta upgrade it. I'm gonna upgrade it later.
Yeah. Bro, this thing feels so skinny.
Yeah, skinny light.
Yeah.
Second gear, crank on the throttle. It's gonna go up, bro. Oh my god, this joint wanna take off. Like he has like no like play in his clutch. I'll make a right. Yep. Yup. Yup, I already know you love that. It's easy. It's easy. Yup, it's easy. Now he see what I'm talking about, how that shit's easy. You see what I'm talking about? I know you, yeah, yup. I'm scared of wheeling this thing. I don't know why. It don't feel right to me. It don't feel right to me, bro. Oh my, my ball sack. Oh my goodness. It's scary. It's scary. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Woo. I heard the mess out of my ball sack though. Like, oh, his suspension is so stiff. Gonna make a left. No, right. All right. I'm sorry. Oh, it was. U-turn. I'm sorry. I thought it was a right. He gonna get it. Yup. Yeah. Yup. I know he getting the pushes, bro. Yeah, he getting it. I told you, bro, like that thing will get you right, bro, real quick, bro. He getting scared. It's like to the point where you don't want to give it throttle, but you. Me? Oh my god, this thing's so choppy, bro. scared. Bro, that shit right there. Yeah, it has to be third. I got it, bro. I just gotta hover that brake. You see what I talk about that? That shit will get you right.
Yeah.
It will get you totally right, bro. So it's just up and down here?
Nah, where the car came from, we make it the left.
Okay.
Down there, yeah.
Oh, okay. We definitely gonna get kicked out over here, bro. Nope. If ands were buts. Yeah, he gotta get his balance right though. The red button, you can turn it off. Yeah.
Yo,
It
this thing,
get you right.
if I got this shit for like a week, bro.
Get on this,
Yeah.
you'll be cake.
Yeah,
That's exactly why I got it, bro.
Yeah. Cause
Exactly
I can tell when it hits balance point.
Yeah.
It comes back and it likes it stops there.
And yeah, they just want to stay.
This is where I should be. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, bro.
I'm like, yo, if I got this thing for a week, just tuning.
Yeah, bro.
Get it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna hit it.
And that's,
Come up in fourth.
yeah, it can come up in fourth, but you really gotta yank that motherfucker.
Yeah, I know it could come up in fourth.
Yeah.
What were you trying to get up in? That's why I said pick it up in third. Cause
Yeah.
I know what you were trying to get.
I was trying to get up in a fourth,
Yeah. Yeah, it'll take a second.
but
And then I gotta get something better for this. Cause I do it in third. Cause ever since I changed the sprocket out,
yeah, second's too crazy.
second is twitchy, bro.
Crazy.
I can get it up in second, but it's like just
Yeah.
It's like first.
The first one I did, I was all the way up. I said, "Oh shit!" I wasn't ready. I was not ready for that.
Real fucking quick.
But that's why, like, I see you really trying to learn how to wheelie, bro. Dirt, like, I see why they say a dirt bike is like
Bro.
the shit. Like,
It's the way to go.
it's the way to fucking
The
go.
way to go. If I had my van, I probably would
Yeah.
have gotten one.
Then you just need to cover your rear brake.
Yeah, I was doing that.
Yeah, and also I got to teach you how to shift lock.
Yeah, that I don't.
Cause I see you're trying to grab your balance and you're trying to still hold on.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, if you shift lock on that thing, and that's how I stay there,
Yeah.
and I stay locked in.
Because I feel myself serving to the left.
Yeah.
As well, and I'm like, I'm gonna blame it on the boots. You know? I'm trying to blame the boots.
Hey yo.
You rode it before? Oh, haven't you
Oh,
rode it?
yeah, I
Didn't you
rode
ride
it once,
on
but I wasn't. I'm not
Yeah.
trying to wheelie it or nothing.
You trying to wheelie a 1000 though?
That's what I'm saying.
I'm not gonna lie, bro. This feels better than that. The one time I rode that joint, I was terrified.
Because it's lighter.
It's lighter.
It gets up so easy. You
Yeah.
don't gotta do nothing to bring it up.
Yeah,
I mean,
Yeah.
this bike gets up easy, but you know how to keep it down.
yeah.
Yeah.
What are you trying to come up in?
Second, I do most of my wheelies in second.
Try to do it in third.
I've tried it in third. It doesn't come up as easy. Like I really gotta pick it up.
Yeah. For him,
1000, bro.
it's a new bike, so I tell everybody, if you learn how to do that yank and pull as you let go,
Yeah.
you can really get up in like the next gear.
I'm starting to get it. Like
Yeah.
You don't want to
motion where you
use
just-
your energy though, because
Yeah.
it got enough power for it to come up. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But everybody learns different. Cause me,
Yeah.
I see them do that all the time. Like they'll do this, like they'll compress the shock first,
Yeah.
I
like
heard
push
some
down
people
and then
like
pull
tap
up.
their front brake to
Yeah,
bring it
push
down.
down and pull up. Some
Yeah.
people
I'm not doing that
will
shit.
tap.
I'm not no, fuck that. Or like I don't
in my
know.
position and yank that.
Yeah, just yank that hoe, bro.
I want to learn how to do a stopping.
Good luck.
He got it,
Yeah,
not
I
me.
gotta stop it now
What?
'cause I gotta adjust my forks. for
Okay. Yeah. When I went down hard, bro, it was like a brick wall. Like it didn't have no travel. It was just like,
Cushion or nothing. happens.
Yeah.
Now if you press it and push it down, press the front brake and push it down, it kind of bounces. So they're saying it's supposed to go down and come back up and stop. But mine kind of bounces a little bit. So I think I need to adjust the compression to make it a little bit stiffer.
Yeah, for what you're doing.
Yeah.
Like I gotta do fork seals on that. I'm about to do that like next week.
Tell you what, your front brake, bruh, non-existent.
Hold up, wait a minute. Hold up. Okay, so I looked up for a Brembo front caliper. That's just like $300.
Yeah, you need fork seals as well.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna do that next week.
Yeah.
So then I'm gonna upgrade my master cylinder. So I'm spending like a 600. The one that I go to, we gonna have to swap. I'm gonna give my.
You wanna ride this?
Ride.
Ride this. You switching around.
Wait, what are we doing? Bike swapping 3 ways?
Yeah.
Which way?
I'm taking this 1,000.
Okay. He wanna get on that. Okay. All right. I'm trying to get my the coordination down pat.
Bruh, that's the thing. Wait, he had to lift that motherfucker off.
Oh shit! So it will grip up in the dirt, well, grass. Oh, I ain't gonna make that. Oh. Woo, I was about to stall. Like what? That flyby sound nice, I'm not gonna lie. I think he's trying to say we too slow for him. I don't like that. Make me want to get my sport bike. Left. You went on the right. Hold up. What's wrong with my seat?